My experience here at WashU in St. Louis and at Barnes-Jewish Hospital has been excellent. The reason that I came here was really just for the experiences and opportunities that it provided. When I came down here and I met the faculty and residents, everyone was very happy, very approachable. The training here is definitely second to none, and those training opportunities, just given the sort of the unique opportunities that is presented by Barnes-Jewish Hospital, was something that you couldn't find elsewhere. Given that St. Louis doesn't have a county hospital, we really serve as the last resort for a lot of the poor and indigent population. With that said, Washington University has a great name in research. It is certainly a center where people are coming from all over the world to see their specialists here. So we get a great population of patients with very rare, very advanced diseases, and the patients who haven't sought medical care in years. And we really are the last resort and the last place that they're able to turn to. And so we're able to give back to the community. One of the biggest reasons I came here was that the faculty was so approachable and so down to earth. The historic training in medicine is that there's deference to the physician. They're always Dr. So-and-so. And here we've really broken that down, where they really are your colleagues. They're your friends, they're your colleagues, they're the people you go to and call by a first name. And I think that's part of just the experience of working in the emergency department, where you're working shoulder to shoulder with your attendings, and you just can't have the hierarchical system that you traditionally see in medicine, because you need to feel comfortable asking questions, being able to approach them, and especially in a training environment like we have, being able to approach them with any question and having them be receptive to that is certainly a huge advantage that we have here. My path to coming to St. Louis was that I grew up in a small town in upstate New York. My undergraduate and med school training was in Chicago, and then came here again because I love the people and I love the city. I think St. Louis does get overlooked. There are a lot of benefits, though. It has all the benefits of being a large city with having a lot of events, a lot of opportunities to go out and enjoy the city without the costs that come about with being a city. And certainly living on a resident salary, that's a huge advantage. The reason I stayed at Washington University in St. Louis was the people and the opportunities. We have a number of faculty who are already making large advances in education, in resident education. We have faculty who are involved in undergraduate education, running an undergraduate pre-medical course. We also have faculty who are involved in the medical school. One of our faculties is a course director for the medical school. And so there are many levels of education in which you can get involved in. My personal passion is resident education and procedural training, but we have a lot of contact with the medical students, and certainly with the undergraduates, where we actually go over to the undergraduate campus and give lectures and are involved in introducing them to the field of medicine. So that was a big advantage staying here, certainly with the university, that I don't think I could have gotten elsewhere, was really being able to train students from all across the board in all levels of training. Advice I have for prospective residents or medical students is really keep an open mind. St. Louis does get overlooked. With that said, I think it's a great city. Don't let what you've heard about the city turn you away, because it is a fantastic city. Whether you have kids, there are great affordable neighborhoods with great school districts where you can have a house and lawn that are close to the hospital, so the commute isn't difficult at all. With that said, if you're single, there are great areas that are young, that are up and coming, that there is a lot of outdoor things to do. Personally, I enjoy living right by Forest Park. I'm a runner, so I enjoy being able to walk to the hospital, step out my front door, and go for a run around the park, go to the free zoo, go to the museums, and just having those outdoor and events available has been great here.